Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of video editing with a special focus on an amazing tool that lets you create stunning reverse movie effects. Let's explore its features and see how it can elevate your video content. The best reverse movie effect application for Android allows users to create captivating videos by playing them backward. This innovative tool typically features a user-friendly interface, enabling anyone to easily import their videos and apply the reverse effect with just a few taps. Users can enhance their videos with additional features, such as adding music, adjusting playback speed, and incorporating various filters to improve visual appeal. The application often supports high-definition video quality, ensuring that the final product looks professional. Moreover, it may offer options for sharing completed videos directly to social media platforms, making it easy for creators to showcase their work. Overall, this type of application is great for those looking to add a unique twist to their video content, whether for personal enjoyment or for engaging an audience online. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering how to create mesmerizing reverse movie effects with this fantastic application, and we'll see you in the next video.